Hello, Calabro's class. It's me again, kind of like a bad penny. I keep showing up, don't I? Okay, so yesterday you did a reading on abiotic and biotic factors, which means abiotic factors, which means not bio, which means not life, means anything having to do with things that are not alive. Bio, right, means life, so biotic factors are things that have to do with things that are alive. So what you're going to be doing today is first you're going to watch a little YouTube video, and the video does a really nice job of showing some examples of biotic factors and abiotic factors. While you watch the video, and I've put the link right on this paper, which is on your Google Classroom, so once you click on this link, while you watch the video, I just want you to list, when you hear something that's a biotic factor, I want you to list them here, and when you hear something that's an abiotic factor, I want you to list them here. Nothing more than that, very simple, just make a list. All right, so biotic factors and abiotic factors that you hear from this video. Okay, so that's the first thing that you're going to do. Then your teacher is going to have a copy of one of these for everyone. They look like little diamonds, they end up making little flags, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to cut these out, and you always cut on the straight lines, all right? So there are a bunch of these. As a matter of fact, there are 12 of these. So you're going to cut all of these out along the lines. The dotted lines mean that you fold on those dotted lines. So you're going to end up with this. I would like you to keep your title at the top, and then you're going to number them 1 through 12. You should be able to do 4 with 3 in each row. All right, so 1 through 12. What you're going to be doing with this, though, is you're going to lift these up, and you're going to tell me, is it a biotic factor or is it an abiotic factor? And that's all you have to write, biotic or abiotic, under each of these flags. And you are welcome to discuss in your groups and try to figure these out. Okay, a couple of them are very easy, living, very easy. However, some of them, like flu virus, I'm curious to see what some of your answers will be on those. So again, you lift it up, it's either abiotic or biotic on that. Again, you're going to need a clean sheet of paper, which your teacher will have for you. Okay, then the next part of your assignment is 2 pages. The first page looks like this, and the directions are over here, but it's a picture. And again, you're going to cut around the outside, always on the straight dark lines. You cut it out. And the directions say that if it's a biotic factor, you're going to circle them. So if you see anything up here that's a biotic factor, you're going to circle it. If you see anything in the picture that is an abiotic factor, you're going to put an X on it. You're literally going to put an X on the picture. Okay, so there's your picture. And then under that picture is going to be some writing. Now when we do writing, I do expect you to use good grammar, capital letters, punctuation. Use the question in your answer. Always restate the question when you're writing. So I expect really some nice answers on this. Now these go together, all right? This was our paper from before, right? It has all the little flags on it. You're just going to turn it over on the back. Make sure your name and period are on there. And then this will be your picture, and this will have the circles and the X's, circles if it's biotic, X's if it's abiotic. And then underneath of that will be your writing. Okay? So this is quite a long assignment. I think it'll take you probably more than one class to do this because you have multiple things to do. Remember, you've got the video to watch and the list to make. After you've made your list, you're going to cut all these out. You're going to fold them in half. You're going to tell me is it abiotic or biotic. And then on the back, you're going to have this picture. You're going to mark X's on abiotic, and you're going to circle biotic. And then underneath, you have some writing to do, and I do expect the writing to have good grammar, capitalization, using the questions in the sentences. Okay? Again, if you have questions, shoot me an email. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.